In this quick tutorial, I would like to show you how you can personalize your thumbnail on your shorts on YouTube. So pretty much today we weren't allowed to or when couldn't, but now you can. So remember, don't go to your studio, go to actually your YouTube channel, and then go to your videos and your content, and then once you are there, so go pick up a video. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just gonna pick up this video here, go to edit, and you can see there you can edit the actually thumbnail. So you can write anything you want to, you can have all these different colors at the bottom there, and you can have all these different letters, styles and shades, different background shades, and also so what you also can do, which is very cool, is that you can actually pick up the spot on a video that you want to have your thumbnail. So it has to be a photo or a snapshot of the actually video. So you can move the down below here, you can move that like so all the way to the front, back, whenever you want to. Once you pick up a photo that you like, you can then put it on. I'll put this one of me smiling, and then if you click on these three circles together, you can then change the color of the photo or the style of the photo. You can make it darker, lighter, and so on, and then just click save, and it's all saved and ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel for more. Then you can just play it.